not able to understand a text as a whole. But what is the student actually able to do in terms of general reading comprehension? That is the useful information we're looking for, and it's not evident with this result. An alternative kind of question that we can use to gather rich and quality information as to what level the students have achieved within the table of our criteria can be this one. Write in one sentence what the text is about. So we leave the student pretty free to give the best answer possible. We will have a number of different answers, it's true, and it's probably going to be harder to make the interpretations we're looking for, but definitely the kind of information that we're going to obtain is going to be much richer. Before you are ready to apply the task, make sure that you double-check task validity. That is to say, make sure that when you answer this task, when you go through this task, you're actually using and putting in action the abilities that you're looking after, that you're looking for, and not other skills. So the suggestion here is answer the task yourself, and also ask a colleague to do it for you as well. With the information you get with your own answers and your colleagues' answers, you will confirm that nothing went wrong and that you actually had to put into action the knowledge and abilities described in your criteria, and then again, not any other ones. So when you're ready to give the task, make sure that students have all the best conditions possible to concentrate on the learning descriptions in the criteria. Quiet environmental conditions such as ventilation, temperature, illumination, etc. And also motivation, so that students feel interested in showing their best in those particular learning items. Once students have answered and you've got their information, you need to observe those results professionally and judge against the criteria their level of achievement. If the process of design and application of the assessment task was carried out in the class following the orientations mentioned before, and in close relationship with clear, simple, and well-communicated criteria, interpreting results should be quite straightforward. So what do we do with this information? Well, we can use that information in two different ways. One, to inform students how well they did, that is to say, what skills they have developed, what their level of achievement is, and also we can use that information to guide students on what strategies they should use to work on the learning aspects that they have not yet achieved. An important issue to consider at this particular point is that it is highly advisable to avoid giving students comments with a mark, combined with a mark, or with a score. If we do so, according to research, students will tend to focus and concentrate on the mark or the score only and will disregard the comments attached. Another use that we can give, that we can have associated with assessment results is very important for us teachers. These results are useful feedback to adjust our teaching. How do we do this? Well, we compare the learning items that have been successful in the assessment procedure with the objectives and the contents of the course and see how close they are. If a particular learning has actually occurred according to this assessment procedure, then we will know and we will have evidence for. On the other hand, if there's a gap, there's a distance between the learning and the description of what is expected from in this course, then we can make the adjustments to the activities that we do in class to develop those particular aspects.